YouTubers, Mike Martin's here, Mike Martin's channel. Guys, stay tuned to my channel. I'm going to be going on vacation. I'm taking you guys along with me. I'm going to do a drive across Canada as long as my kids allow me to go as far as I can without them getting frustrated, and then catching a plane in the next major city if needs be. But follow my adventures here on the Mike Martin's channel. You can see all different cool places across Canada. Anyways, from the Perth Now Sunday Times paper. What is happening in Perth, people? Perth! Sorry, something just popped up on my screen here. Perth house is still in decline! National value is also falling! Oh no. Guys, we got a problem. This from yesterday's date. What is happening here? What happened to this great opportunity for people to jump on the housing ladder and yeah, it's gonna keep going up forever! Use your house as an ATM! This is the way to do it! Everybody's doing it! And then people that didn't buy in this crazy housing market look down on them and tell them, you didn't buy. Why didn't you buy when you could? Perth housing price is still in decline. National value is also falling. The property market slows down. The property slowdown has become further entrenched, with national values posting the first annual side in 5.5 years. Australian housing prices fell 0.1% in May, taking the annual loss to a 0.4%, which was the first time values have fallen on an annual basis since October 2012, according to property data from CoreLogic. In Perth, house prices continue sliding back further, another 0.1% in May. It meant Perth property has slipped back 1.8% in the last 12 months year, leaving WA's capital with a median dwelling value of $463,000. It doesn't matter how much it goes down, but when it starts going down and sliding down, people start going underwater. So you bought a house for, let's say, $100,000. It's worth $96,000 now. Trust me, it does hit the pocketbook, especially if your loan to value in your equity has been taken out. You're screwed. CoreLogic head of research Tim Lawless said that the negative national growth rate was reflection of the weakening house prices across the capital cities, particularly in Sydney and Melbourne, which comprise almost 2/3 of Australia's housing market by value. But it was rosier picture for regional regional cities. I can't see that from here, guys. Sorry. Where housing values grew a combined 2.2% annually, led by Geelong and Victoria, which rose 10.2%. Remember, those are cheaper areas or more affordable areas, and people leaving the big cities to go to those suburbs or completely way out of their way and relocating their job and their life. The combined regional markets have helped offset the broader decline, with dwelling values consistently rising, albeit at much slower pace relative to the growth seen in Sydney and Melbourne over the previous growth phase, Mr. Lawless said. Over the past 3 months, Melbourne has overtaken Sydney as the weakest capital city housing market, while Hobart was still the best performer. Remember, we talked about Hobart and how a lot of people are moving to these suburbs or moving outside of the bigger cities and commuting in these crazy commutes into work. Let me know what you guys think. If you're living in Perth, how is it going? And if you thumb this video down, it means you're not doing well with this situation going on in Australia. It is happening. It is happening. The only city where you're getting year over year and month over month increases is Vancouver, still going up. For that, so you had some house declines, but the condo market's what's pushing up the average, the national average across for the lower mainland of British Columbia. The condo market and the cheaper units like townhouses are helping drive the market there in the lower mainland in British Columbia. Are the smaller towns in Australia outside of the main cities, are they pushing the national average across the board, making it look not so weak because the cheaper homes or the cheaper product on the market is starting to go up in value? Let me know what you guys think. Is that offsetting? Is the aggregation there? Is it making sense? Let me know. Comment below.